channel. Today I'm going to teach you an experiment. It is a very simple experiment, and the things you need is one dark construction paper and one light construction paper and some ice cubes. First, lay out the papers on like a chair or something. So I put this thing on so the papers won't flow away. So yeah, as I was saying, we have to put one ice cube on each paper, and then just wait and see what happens. Actually, I can already see that one's melting even faster, or that one. You can actually kind of see it. Okay, you can kind of see it. This one is kind of actually small now. That one's actually big. Okay, now we have to wait like about 10 minutes or 5 minutes or something. Right. Now I've waited like 10 minutes or 5 minutes, and now I can see the difference. This one is like kind of cracked. It looks kind of cracked. Look at, can you see like the little curve? Yeah, that's the cracked part. That means that part has melted. And this one is still melting. It's a bigger size. There's no cracks in it at all. So how did it happen? The light side didn't the light side is kind of like a mirror, and it reflects the sun. The word reflects means it bounces, like the thing bounces off, like kind of like a ball, like how it bounces off the floor. And the darker side absorbs. Absorbs mean it will like take all the, it will take all the water, like how a sponge like absorbs the water. Yeah, that's how it works. Also, on a sunny day, you should wear light-colored clothes, like I'm doing here, because so you won't get hot. And in winter, you should wear dark-colored clothes so you won't be cold. Bye. This is our experiment.